Tracing America's iconic architecture. The United States is home to a number of historic and iconic buildings that reflect the architectural developments of different eras. In this documentary, we will explore some of the most famous buildings that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also steeped in history and culture. The White House. No story of American architecture would be complete without mentioning the White House. Built between 1792 and 1800, the White House is the official residence of the President of the United States. Its classical design, with grand columns and white facade, was the work of architect James Hoban, who was inspired by the Leinster House in Dublin, Ireland. The White House has been a symbol of American power and government for over 2 centuries. The Empire State Building, standing majestically in the heart of New York City, the Empire State Building is an icon of Art Deco architecture. Built in a record time of 410 days in 1930-1931, the skyscraper was the tallest in the world at the time, standing 1,454 feet, 443.2 meters tall, including its antenna. Designed by William F. Lamb of Shreve, Lamb and Harmon, the building became a symbol of American progress and ambition during the Great Depression. Fallingwater, designed by legendary architect Frank Lloyd Wright. Fallingwater is a perfect example of the concept of organic architecture that blends with nature. Built in 1935, the house sits atop a waterfall in Mill Run, Pennsylvania. Wright's boldness in combining natural elements with modern design resulted in one of the most famous and admired works of architecture in the world. The Guggenheim Museum. The Solomon R. Guggenheim Museum in New York City, designed by Frank Lloyd Wright and opened in 1959, is a work of art in its own right. The building is known for its unique spiral shape, which allows visitors to experience the artwork in an unusual way, walking along a circular walkway from top to bottom. The Guggenheim has become an icon of modern architecture and a major landmark in the world of contemporary art. The Golden Gate Bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco is one of America's greatest engineering and architectural feats. Designed by Joseph Strauss, Irving Morrow, and Charles Ellis, the bridge opened in 1937 and spans 4,000 feet, 1,280 meters, over the Golden Gate Strait. Its bright orange color and elegant suspension structure make it one of the most recognizable symbols of the United States. The Chrysler Building. One of New York City's most iconic skyscrapers, the Chrysler Building is a stunning example of Art Deco architecture. Designed by William Van Allen and completed in 1930, the building features a gleaming spire with stainless steel embellishments and unique geometric shapes. The Chrysler Building exudes the luxury and advancement of America's industrial era. Conclusion. These historic buildings not only reflect technological advancements and design innovations, but they also tell the story of American culture and history. Through architecture, we can see how the country has evolved over time and how America's identity is etched into these magnificent structures. This documentary invites us to appreciate the beauty, complexity, and legacy that each of America's iconic buildings carries.